Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take high resolution pictures on your OnePlus Nord 3. So to do this we got two methods. The first one, we can click on these three dots in the right upper corner and select high resolution mode from this option, and that's 50 megapixel mode. There's also the extra HD mode in the more modes, and it's actually over the 50 megapixel mode, so it's even in this mode we can find even more details. So when you take the photo, you can just take a look for some preview after the post-processing, and you can zoom in. It actually doesn't look good because I didn't catch the focus. Let's try to do this photo one more time. We can, for example, focus on this part. Okay, let's see right now how it looks. Okay, still it looks terrible. Let's try one more time. Okay, right now that was taken. And right now it looks a little bit better. So that's the preview of this photo. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.